just got it here. It's Sunday, 29th, I think. Yeah, 29th. Right, first things first, confession time. Mary, the wife, my little datey little wife, bless her. She was a bit disgruntled and wants credit for helping me with this, you see, which is in fair play to her. She did give me a hand with that, lifting that up there. She was up that end and I was up that end, because all the time I put more bits of metal on it, it started getting heavy. So yeah, so he's 5'4.5", but got muscles like Mr. Universe, bless her. She gave me a hand with getting that up there. Right, I'm just making myself a little temporary bench. One of my habits is to things have to go right by the engine when I'm building them, or stripping them, or whatever. I've got some plastic boxes, so I don't have to mix dirty with clean. Keep everything together, and I'm just going to quickly knock up I'm going to turn that little trolley into an engine stand of sorts, so I can do some spinning around in. So the purpose of this bit is just to strip the engine down, see what I need, if anything, for that. I expected at least rings, and maybe some valve guides, the way it was smoking on overrun. So there's a bit of something going on in the head for definite, and maybe in the rings where, like I say, on the overrun, when you draw the throttle off and you're like going down a hill and it sucks oil up through the pass of rings and then burns it when you stamp your foot back down, so it's doing that sort of stuff. And smoked a bit when it started up, so that's all I'm saying. It's probably valve guides or valve stem seals. So just going to quickly knock up a little bit of a engine stand that I can sit at or work near, and then the other part of it is to see how much the primary shaft projects out the front, if at all, out of the front of this the Triumph bell housing, so I know how thick that adapter plate needs to be. And get that dirty old oily engine clean. So it might go in the molasses yet. So I'm gonna have to whatever happens, I'm gonna have to save up. It's Christmas time, innit, so we'll have to save up the pennies and perhaps think about getting the parts at the end of January when I have my January salary. There's loads to do. There's all the body work to do yet, so I shan't run out of work. So can you tell what that is? So I made a crazy engine stand. I've gone for the cantilever design. Made it a crap out of the garden, so we'll just take the gearbox off of this, and then we can make the hanging bracket. So the gearbox is off, as you can see. Something's just started undoing the nuts, bolts for the flywheel. You see that? It's been hitting. Something's been hitting. Interesting. There's no marks on here that we can see. Clutch is not dead. It's quite a reasonable life in the clutch yet. It's nearly it's getting there, but it's not dead yet. Anyway, it's had some welding in the past on there, on the fork. Okay, well it's self-supporting, so it's doing its job. I'm just draining the oil out. I should have done that when the engine was warm, but there you go. I'll whip the head off. So I'm a bit looking forward to having a look in there, see what's going on. And I think that's going to be it for the night. Alright guys, catch up in a bit. Well, I'm not doing it, but I had to get a bar in there. Still being stolen. Little rascal. Let's get my torch and we have a look in there. Looks like we're okay in there, apart from being coked up. We'll give them a clean up and have a look. See some scoring on the valves. I reckon the glides are definitely knackered. We'll have a look when we get the springs off. Got some interesting marks around the place. Well, nothing scary, I don't think. Doesn't look too bad. A bit of a line in that one, look. That's it. Yeah. I reckon you might well, I'll have to give it a clean up. There's no point surmising anything, is there, until I got them out and have a look. No big gouges in the cylinders anyway, so that's the main thing. Okay, well, that's it for me tonight. I'm going to pack up and clean my oily ends and get on indoors. See you later.